welcome back to my channel. It's Erica Lifestyle here, and today's vlog, it's another unboxing review, as well as we're gonna try if it smells good. So for today's video, it's a perfume vlog, and guess it's what kind of scents or perfume we're gonna unbox. So of course we're gonna try a Versace Bright Crystal Absolu. It's right here. So I'm a scent lover person. I love perfumes, I love being smells good, whenever I go. I have to make sure I have perfume or any occasion. So yeah, this is perfect to me, especially I choose this one for evening or night occasions. So yeah, this is perfect for me. This is Versace Bright Crystal Absolu. So yes, stay with me and bear with me, and let's unbox this together. And yeah, this is Versace perfume, specifically Bright Crystal Absolu. So yeah, let's open this one, and yeah, just stay with me and let's open this together. Okay? It's Versace Crystal Bright Crystal Absolu. So love it. Love it. Oh my god. What's one thing that I love with this perfume is the bottle, aside from the scent. So it's called Crystal, Bright Crystal, because of its, looks crystal. Oh my god, love it. So yeah, so Versace Bright Crystal Absolu with the perfume. It's 90 ml, or yeah, 90 ml, made in Italy. Oh my god, it's the logo of the Versace, if you can see it. So it's 90 ml. This one, this is kind of big. It looks small in the video, but it's big. See, it's handful in my right hand. So it's natural spray perfume. It has, let's see, it's made in Italy. Of course, this is original because it's made in Italy. So what are the ingredients? It's alcohol, denite, alcohol, 39 perfume fragrance aqua, which is water, ethanol. I have a hard time reading with this chemical compound. So it has like ethyl exal, methocyanamate, lenalol, citronellol. Oh my god, this is a hard time reading with the ingredient. At least we learn something new. What's in the perfume, right? So it's ethyl exal salicylate. The other one is butyl lemonade. So sorry about my pronunciation with the ingredients of this perfume, because I'm not a chemist to read it properly, or it's really hard time to read the ingredients. So anyway, I really love this crystal clear, bright crystal Absolu Versace perfume. It's because it's, aside from the scents, it's the smell. Like when you put in your clothes, even if you wash your clothes, the perfume still in there. It stays, it stays even if you wash it. So that's one thing about this perfume. Like other perfume, you just like after a few hours it's like gone. You need to respray on your body or in your clothes, because it's like I don't smell at all. So yeah, this one, it's like stay 24 hours or more than 24 hours, because even if you wash your dress or your apparel or your clothes, the scent is still there. Yeah, that's one thing about I like this scent. Versace Bright Crystal Absolu. Yeah, so don't you worry, I'm gonna put the link on my description that I'm gonna let you know where did I order this one. So of course in Amazon, I ordered on Amazon. So yeah, if you wanna place your order, you can place your order there. And yeah, I could really recommend this perfume, this kind of scent, because for women, we love perfumes also. Aside from makeup and clothes, of course, this is the best accessory in our clothes, in our whenever we have occasions, or whenever we have events or special occasions or events in our life. You have to smells like smells good. You'll never know that when someone's hugging you or with your relatives and friends, you smells good. So what's you always smells good. So this is my secret. So one of my collection, this would be added to my collections as well, since I'm a scent lover. Aside from jewelries and clothes, so I also have, or shoes and heels, I also have scents collection. So yeah, I have different kind of collection when it comes to perfumes or scents. So I have to use according to, if it's daytime, I'm gonna use if it's daytime, I'm gonna use, if it's hot or outdoor event or occasion, or I'm gonna use like earthy smell, like smells like flower, or smells like cherry blossom, something like that. So it would like, you would smells like flowers, or like you would smells like eco-friendly. Shall I say, yeah, eco-friendly perfume. Yeah, one time I went um to a wedding of my cousin, and oh, you smells good, whenever you've met your cousins, or you hug each other because it's been a while that you haven't seen each other. So yeah, when I hug them, so oh, you smells good, can I have your perfume, can I have those, blah blah blah, blah. So yeah, I give them my secret, what are my scents that I use, of course. So one of them is Versace Bright Crystal Absolu. So yeah, I super love this, and yeah, this is would I think it would last. It would because this one is a big bottle, like 90. Yeah, this is 90 ml, and it would last like a year. It would last, sorry, I have runny nose. So yeah, it would last like a year. It's depend on how many times that I use, because I have different kind of perfume. So yeah, it would last like a year. So I only use this one like nighttime for night event, because this is like smells like it's hard to it's hard to say how, it smells so good. It's, oh, I have a runny nose. Yeah, this one is unique smells, compared to any other of my perfumes that I use. But this one is really smells so good. So yeah, I would really recommend, or any of my friends, to grab your scents, something like this, or any, to all my girlfriends out there and my friends out there, or you can give to your friends. So yeah, this is the best, one of the best perfume I ever had, the Versace Crystal Bright Crystal Absolu. So yeah, I think that's it, and that's the end of our video, and I hope you like watching my video, and don't forget to like, share, comments down below, and yeah, that's it, and see you in my next vlog. Thank you for watching, and this has been Erica Lifestyle saying to you bye, and see you later, and have a great day.